Hey there, today we're going over how to set up an invoice. So on the left side of the screen, you will click on payments, which should bring you to this page. And on the right side of the screen, you'll click new and new invoice. Now my invoice is going to look a little bit different since I've already had mine set up, but you're able to go in and put in your business information. And then you can add the customer information, so whoever you're sending this invoice to. So I will choose myself. Now we can come down here and you can change the invoice number. We leave it the same. Every time we send an invoice, it'll automatically go up. And then you can do an issue day. I'll issue it today and have it be due by the 23rd. And then you can add a product. And if you collect taxes on your invoice, you can click here and go through the list of options. And you will click save. You have the option to add a discount. So you can do the percentage or you can do a custom amount. So we'll give them a discount of $500. And you'll see over to the right, there's the discount that popped up as well. Or you can add a payment schedule, so you can do a percentage or a fixed amount. So we'll say 25% is due by the 16th and 75% will be due by the 23rd. And then you'll click save. Now for the terms and conditions, you can save the terms and conditions so it automatically uploads, so you won't have to re-enter this every single time. You can charge late fees, so whether that's 1% every 1 month, we can give them a 10-day grace period, and the maximum of late fees we can do for $50. Once you connect your payment account, you're able to do processing fees. So if people want to pay with a credit card, you can pass those fees to the other person. You can come up to these 3 dots and click on manage payment methods. And it'll give you 2 options of all valid payment methods, or you could do only bank transfers. And you can save that. You're able to preview your invoice. The payment link would typically pop up right here. It's not going to show it because we are previewing it, but you do want to go through and make sure everything looks right. And if you're not ready to send the invoice, you can click save, or if you are ready, you can click send. And you can copy this invoice as well and email it to someone. Sometimes you will get checks, so you will still have to create an invoice. You would just record a payment and you would do it manually. You could charge their card and it'll process it directly. If this is an invoice that you will use multiple times, you can convert it to a template so you don't have to remake it every single time. And that's it for today's training. Stay tuned. We're going to go over how to set up a reoccurring payment.